Look at that light.
I don't care. Stare into the void.
Go towards the light.
Go towards the light. I don't want to clink this too hard.
Dude, we're eating like these 3 Oreos.
We're eating 3 Oreos.
I forgot to get a Christmas tree.
That's fine. These are the mint, right?
These are the mint. That's
So
kind of Christmassy.
This is a Christmassy treat.
Kinda.
Cheers. You didn't fail. You did deliver on a good treat this week.
Anyways, we got a lot of stuff to cover today.
Yeah, we do have a lot to cover.
So last Friday was another Wood Species Basics. Haven't had one of those in a hot minute.
A hot minute.
Yeah, and I know y'all like those, so I went over my favorite wood, cherry.
Cherry. Harry Cherry Bomb Gary. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to put my glass on a coaster.
There we go, much better. So I've been trying to reply to most of the comments on the cherry video, just because but so pretty much everybody really liked the Wood Species video on cherry. I heard from Matthew Riley, who I don't know if Matthew's commented before.
Matt Ryle.
Cherry video. He said, "I love your videos." He said the old school porno music made my wife give me a sideways look. Were you talking about the intro or the music I had playing?
Did you have Smooth Grit playing?
I had Smooth Grit.
Dude, that is not the first time that I've heard that, actually. I sent that to my dad, and he was like, that reminds me of some old groovy 70s porno music.
Oh, man.
That's awesome. I will take that as the highest compliment. Cool.
Michael McGuffin.
Mr. McGuffin.
Was wondering if I'm going to do one of those videos on walnut. The answer is yes. There will be one of those on walnut. And then last follow-up, Adam. That's a big one. We had people vote on the cheese.
On the cheese.
Which one of us has to bathe in
Which one of us has
cheese?
to bathe in the cheese?
I asked, what project have you built? Freaking Kevin. I haven't heard from Kevin in a hot minute.
Kev Bot.
So Kevin's going to college, man. He's dealing with finals, so he said he's been keeping him busy.
Congratulations, Kevin.
You might want to hold that. He says, I vote for Adam.
Of course.
Because you seem so grossed out by it.
I'm still glad you're bettering your life, and mine's just kind of going down the shitter. Alright, so that's one for me.
Hey, well, he said that he thinks a live stream follow-up would be cool, too, because we mentioned that. We're still interested in doing that. He says every project. Seems like it's going to be easy and then ends up being a pain in the ass.
There's nothing wrong
That's not far from the truth.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with being challenged at every turn. Just means, I mean, would you still continue to make projects if they were just easy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That would be better.
Well, I mean, I guess I don't...
Will Mack.
I'm going to call him Dub Mac.
He says me. Just
All right.
my name.
There's one for Caleb.
One for me.
All right,
one for the boy.
We're even. We're tied. So far, we're both going to have to get into that bathtub together, boy.
Remy Cole. Vote for Adam. Says, disclaimer, I was not bribed, threatened, or blackmailed by Caleb.
We know.
Harry, TGFIHG.
I don't remember all of the acronyms.
I don't either. That's a new one. He says he agrees with you. He votes for me. You're right in the fact that I made Gary watch soap.
I don't think Gary likes
Gary
the fact
didn't
that you
like
made
that
a bar
we made
of
him
soap.
watch soap.
Okay, so we're down and even. Oh well.
He says a difficult project was a wine bottle bird feeder. Luke Silverfish. He says he was going to vote for both, but if not, then Adam.
3 for me, 2 for Caleb. You don't have to split that with me.
It's the last one.
That's fine. I appreciate your charity, but
He says his worst project ever was changing a door that should have just gone in, and he turned out to have to reframe his whole doorway. Quick, easy project turned into a week-long nightmare. Ken Ferner says Adam needs to take the cheese soap bath.
it's 4 for me.
He says difficult projects be dovetail spline on exotic wood keepsake boxes, because I would like to see that. Jeff says Adam.
It's 5 for me.
Ash Evans says me. CJ was asking about my dad's pool, and he said both of us should do that in a pool, but the pool is no more. But he says if the pool's not an option, then Adam.
Jesus! I'm double yours. I'm at 6. You were at 3.
He says anything with metalwork has turned out. Jay freaking Miss. He doesn't know who to vote for, so play a game of, he said, paper, rock, scissors.
I don't know how to play that. I know how to play rock, paper, scissors.
Says whoever loses gets his vote.
Okay, so I'm at 6. You're at 3.
Ciao.
I'm stepping.
He said a project that was supposed to be easy was making a jointer jig for his table saw and making a runner that would fit in his miter slot was a PIA. So that was it. That was everybody. Choose yourself. Dude, you can set that thing up.
No!
Outside the bathroom door.
I really don't want everybody seeing all my chest hair in fucking high def bright ass light. Please. Please no.
It's primed and ready.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's like way hot. I'm gonna be a human nacho.
You gonna need some soap to clean up there, boy?
Give me that soap.
There you go.
Okay.
Nice cheesy soap. Oh, we should.
I'm using your loofah, dude. Oh, dude, it's coming off yellow.
Oh!
Oh my god. I don't know if they can see that or not. Oh, it smells so bad. Dude, it's lathering.
It's lathering, man.
It's lathering. I can feel the Cheetos.
Oh my god.
Dude, you can feel them in there.
Are they like scratchy?
Like a little bit, yeah.
Whoa!
You can feel them. Ah!
Yeah.
Get the pits, make them, gotta get the stink off after a long day at work. Time to exfoliate. Exfoliate the cheese. Okay. It's kind of lathering. It really, once the loofah's on, it's kind of like.
I see it's all sudsy.
Dude, now it looks like your loofah looks like ramen noodles.
Might taste like it too.
I ain't tasting your loofah, boy. Okay, so the good news is once it rinses off, it does not leave.
You don't.
Last thing I gotta get. Oh, I forgot to get my pit.
Yeah, I don't really smell no cheesiness.
This wasn't awkward enough.
Dude,
it like stains the water. It's like staining the water. It's making your water cheesy, dude.
Oh, there's like, it looks powdery. Oh, come on. He's lathering up the loofah. I think that was a successful cheese bath.
I think this is enough. I'm done being a human nacho.
Successful cheese bath.
Successful cheese bath.
Ew.
I think I got everything off.
It's through there.
This is more than I ever expected to expose for this channel.
Yeah, dude.
I really hope y'all enjoyed.
Same. And
What
there
do you
it
mean?
is.
What do you
the
mean
cheese
same?
bath. I mean, it's more than I thought we would be doing.
It's more than you thought I would expose for this.
Either one of us. I didn't think we would end up getting into this. The avenues that YouTube will take you.
The avenues. Maybe we could best comment gets it. It's a bar of cheese.
Do y'all want that thing?
Do y'all want it?
Oh,
Say
No.
Gary,
say you want it and leave the best comment
and you'll get it.
and you'll get it.
Do you have a weekly question?
I had a weekly question, but it seems like all of my thoughts have been washed away. I had a weekly question, but I thought it was too cheesy.
My weekly question is, what wood species would you like to see me cover the most? We've done pine, oak, poplar, cedar, and cherry so far. There's a whole bunch more that I've got planned, but there might be something that y'all want to see.
If didgeridooing is your thing.
Is that your weekly question? Is didgeridooing your thing?
Is didgeridooing your thing, or do you didgeridoo-don't? Somebody might. Maybe one person.
Dude, I think that's all we got.
All we got. I think it was enough.
I think that's it. Leave your answers below to the freaking wood species thing and the did you ask a question? Didgeridoo.
Didgeridoo. Let us know what you thought about the cheese bath and my semi-naked body.
Yeah, let us know if you enjoyed that. We have brand new videos every Friday and Wednesday, so if you want to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss none of those. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.